Hey guys, Matt Allen here. Welcome back to Tactical Bassin. Today is the cold water frog fishing challenge. Now, we don't normally do challenge videos. We never do that stuff. But I woke up this morning and I just had that feeling. So here's our scenario. Here's what's up. We're on Clear Lake. Clear Lake always has a late topwater bite. It's always the last lake to go. So the earliest that I've had a consistent topwater bite is still a month from now. On top of that, it snowed 5 days ago. 5 days ago it was snowing right here. Yesterday and last night, it was pouring rain. You can still see the last of the clouds breaking up there behind me. But I woke up this morning and I got the feeling. I think they'll eat it. I might be wrong. I might just want them to eat it, but we're going to find out. So I came out, I brought my frog. That's a bullywah too. Dirty white is the color. Like always, we'll give you links to everything down in the video description, the frog, the gear, everything. But I don't know that we're going to get bit. We may go out here and blank together, but that's the challenge. Water is 53 degrees. It is not topwater season. It's murky. But I got a feeling. I really do. I just woke up and I thought, you know, I think today's the day. I don't think I could catch a lot of frogfish, but dang it, I think I can get a bite. And we are gonna find out. That's it. Let's go fishing. Oh, 53-degree water, and I got bit. And I missed it. Dang it. There's a bass right there. And he saw me. another bass. Dude, there's fish in here. Oh! He crushed it. Dang it. Dang it. I knew they would eat the frog. Oh, I'm motivated now. We're going to keep going. Oh, that was so close. That was so close. He murdered it. Just didn't get the hooks. Just didn't get it. All right, guys. We've gone quite a while. Haven't been able to get another bite. I'm going to call it. We're going to say cold water frog fishing challenge failed. But we did come close. 2 blow-ups, one of them serious. What I was doing, I told you how cold that water was. And by the way, before you click out of this video, I'm not done catching fish yet. We're going to make up for this fail by turning right around and catching these fish on something else. But what I was doing was I took that frog. I told you how bad my conditions are. They're terrible. I'm not joking. Water's low 50s. It was pouring rain last night, snowing last week. It's still pre-spawn. These fish aren't even on beds yet. But I just had a feeling I could get blown up on. And I guess to that, I was right. I was able to get a couple bluffs, but they just weren't committed. It wasn't what I was looking for. I wanted to put some frogfish in the boat. But what I did is I came back in these ultra shallow pockets. You can see all the trees around me here. Obviously, this stuff's not normally underwater. We talked all spring about how bad our flooding was, and we were serious. It's flooded bad. The water's come down now about 3.5 feet, but we're still really high. We're out of flood stage, but it's left a lot of trees and things in the water because it is still really high. So I'm able to get back here on these flats where it's less than 4 or 5 feet of water for a long way. And this water in here has warmed up a couple more degrees. It's 56 degrees in here. Plus you're walking that frog, you know, a foot or 2 over their head. Even in that cold water, sometimes they're willing to take a shot just because it's so close. It's not like I'm asking these fish to come up 4, 5, 6, 7 feet. So early season topwater, if you're in a situation where you want to catch them on top, your best bet is to fish ultra shallow where the fish don't have to go a long way to get to the bait, and you can get them to eat when the typical knowledge on bass fishing says there's no way. So here's what we're going to do now. I'm going to grab my underspin. I know they're eating that. We're throwing a weedless underspin in here. I'm going to flip around. We'll see if we can't catch a couple of these fish and just save the day. And then, like always, down in the video description, I'll give you links to all this gear, the frog and this rod and this tackle, the underspin, all that stuff. But thanks for hanging with us, guys. I'm going to grab that underspin. We'll see if we can't wrap it up with a couple more fish. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll talk to you soon.
little guy. Way back in the junk. It's that owner flashy swimmer.